السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. It's been a long time. In today's video we are going to tackle a new conversation، يعني محادثة جديدة سنتعلم من خلالها الكثير من الكلمات الجديدة، العبارات الجديدة التي نستعملها في محادثاتنا اليومية. أوكي؟ لكن قبل البدء في الفيديو لا تنسوا تشجيعي بالاشتراك في القناة، الضغط على زر لايك، كتابة تعليق مشجع، سأقرأ كل تعليقاتكم، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم لتعم الفائدة إن شاء الله. Now let's start. Nancy, thank you for calling Sports Center. May I help you? Lisa, I bought an exercise bike from your store last year and I'm having problems with it. I need to have it repaired. نعيد. Nancy, thank you for calling Sports Center. May I help you? Lisa, I bought an exercise bike from your store last year and I'm having problems with it. I need to have it repaired. أعيد ما أقول. Nancy, let me connect you to the service department. One moment, please. Karen, service department? This is Karen. How can I help you? Lisa, I bought an exercise bike from Sports Center last year and it needs to be repaired. Karen, what seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? نعيد. أعيد ورائي بصوت مرتفع وببطء. Lisa, I'm not very sure, but I think there is a problem with the bike's computer console because the LCD screen does not display the different features. I'm not very sure, but I think there is a problem with the bike's computer console. أعيد ما أقرأ. Karen, nothing was on when you pushed the start button? No, nothing. What is your bike model? It is a 126 upright Ford bike. Karen, I can send a technician out to take a look at your bike. It will cost $75 for labor. Also, if we have to repair any parts, that will be extra. That will be extra. يعني مال إضافي. Lisa, that is expensive. Isn't the repair cost covered by warranty? When exactly did you purchase your bike? Lisa, about 15 months ago. I'm sorry, the standard warranty only covers a year. Did you buy extra warranty coverage at the time of purchase? دائما أعيد ما أقرأ. Lisa, no, I did not. Are there any other options besides paying $75 for repair labor? No, I'm afraid not. Lisa, I guess I just have to pay for the repair. When can you send the technician? When can you send the technician? Karen, I have next Thursday, November the 23rd at 2 p.m. available. Otherwise, the next day has to be December the 8th at 10 a.m. Lisa, I take this coming Thursday. Will you send out a reminder? Karen, somebody will give you a call the evening before to confirm the appointment. The appointment. أعيد ما أقرأ بصوت مرتفع وببطء. The next Thursday, November. Lisa, will the technician accept credit card payment? Karen, yes, He will. By the way, you can buy the extra warranty coverage now if you want to. How much does it cost? Lisa, how much does it cost? أعيد ما أقرأ. $50 for 1 year warranty, $75 for 2 years, and $100 for 3 years. Lisa, does it cover both labor and materials? Karen, it covers everything. Do you want to sign up for it? Lisa, oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. أعيد ما أقرأ. Karen, it will be good for you. We will send a technician any time the bike needs services. It does not matter how many times you call us in a year. Also, if we cannot fix the problem, we will provide you with a new exercise bike. Lisa, okay, I want to sign up for the 2-year warranty program. Okay, I want to sign up for the 2-year warranty program. Karen, I think it is a good investment. Are you going to pay by credit card now, or do you want me to send you a bill? Send me a bill, please. Karen, one last thing before I let you go. I need your address, please. Lisa, 995 Silver Lake Street in Long Beach. دائما أعيد ما أقرأ بصوت مرتفع وببطء. Karen, okay, it's all set. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Lisa, no, thank you for your help. Karen, you are welcome. Have a nice day. نعيد. Karen, okay, is it all set? Is there anything else I can help you with today? No, thank you for your help. You are welcome. Have a nice day. وإلى هنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم ولو بالقليل. لا تنسوا تشجيعي ودعمي بالاشتراك في القناة، الضغط على زر لايك، كتابة تعليق مشجع، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم لتعم الفائدة بإذن الله. See you later.